Go to the tools, select the gradient tool. Maybe in a different position depending on your customization of Photoshop. Go to the control bar and select a gradient. Whole range of different gradients are available. Go to the type, linear, radial, etc. Also blending modes, lighten, darken, multiply. Also set an opacity for your gradient. Go to the document and click to set an origin point. And then drag and release. And there is your gradient. If I select radial, click, drag, and there's your gradient. To add a gradient layer, go to Window and Gradients, go to the Gradients panel and select the gradient and drag to the document. Instant gradient layer. Gradients need a layer, so go to Layer menu and New Layer. Go to the tools, select the gradient tool. Depending on your customization, may be in a different position. Go to the document, click to add a start point or origin point and drag and release. Click and release. Click and release. If you want to change the type, simply go up to here and select elliptical, radial or conical and apply. To add a gradient fill layer, go to Layer menu and New Fill Layer. Go to the type, set linear, elliptical, radial, etc. and add an origin point by clicking on the document and dragging and releasing. Instant gradient fill layer. Gradients can be used in thousands of different ways in Affinity Photo and Photoshop. You can use them with effects, you can use them passing layers, you can use them with type, shapes, you can apply with brush effects and much, much more. How do you use gradients? Do you use them in that sort of way, or maybe there's other ways of using them? Please add some comments in terms of your usage of gradients. What sort of tutorials would you like me to do as well? That'd be great to hear. If you liked the video, please click the like button. If you didn't like the video, please click the dislike button. Thank you much.